A basic search lets you choose one of several options to search by. It's a quick way to find a publication, but sometimes you might need additional ways to look for documents or to generate reports using multiple criteria. For more search options, click Advanced Search. On this page, you'll choose some categories to search from the left panel. As you can see, you have a lot more options than were available with the basic search. Clicking on a category will reveal an expanded set of searchable criteria. For example, under Information, you can search by communication type, or you could look up a technical report by typing in the report number. If you decide you don't want to use any of these criteria, just click the Delete icon. Now let's look at an example. You've been asked to find out how many journal articles your group published between two dates. To do this search, you'll start by choosing Information from the left panel. Under Communication Type, select Journal and Conference Paper Journal. Next, choose Organization and use the search box to find your group. Finally, select Dates and use the calendars to set the date range for your search. Then choose Publish Date from the status options. You want to find journal entries for which the published date falls within your date range. Now that you've selected all of your criteria, you're ready to hit Search. On the Search Results page, you can use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down the results. And you can use the Export option to download your search results to an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, now let's say that you want to change something about your search. Maybe you want to choose a different date range or add technical reports to your search. To do this, find and click the Edit Criteria link near the top of the page. Click in a box to make changes and then search again. If you'd rather start over from scratch, click Start a New Search to clear everything. When you build an advanced search, you have the ability to save the search criteria. Give your search a name and click Save. Now you'll be able to run this search anytime by selecting it from your Save criteria. If you want to edit one of your saved searches, make any changes to the search criteria and then click Update Search. Or if you'd rather save it as a different search, click More and then Save As to give it a new name. Here are some search tips. Under Funding, you can search for a partial B&R code. Put in the first few letters and the system will search all codes beginning with that prefix. When selecting a status under a date range, you might be wondering, what's the difference between completed and published date? Completed means the date that the entry was finalized in resolution, while published date means the date it was published outside of ORNL, whether by a journal, a conference, or another means of distribution. When searching for publications by another researcher, only completed publications will appear in the search results unless you have access to see in-progress documents for that author.